Megs Malino finally confirms real score with Rose and Gatnell. We are seeing each other and we are very happy. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika. Kumpirmadong, dating, ang estado ng relasyon ng kapuso actor-singer at charity blogger na si Megs Malino at ng dancer-blogger na si Rose Ann. Ito ang ipinagtapat ni Megs Malino sa eksklusibong panayam sa kanya. Tinanong si Megs Malino kung may katotohanan ang naglalabasang espekulasyon na may relasyong namamagitan sa kanila ni Rose Ann. Sagot niya, "Yes, I'm seeing Rose Ann. Just to clear everything. To clear all the speculations. We are seeing each other and we are very happy." Ayon kay Megs Malino, nagdesisyon siyang magsalita halos isang taon matapos ang kontrobersyal na pagkawala ni Mahal, upang bigyang linaw ang mga haka-haka tungkol sa di umano'y buntis si Rose Ann na wala naman daw katotohanan. Kabilang narito ang pagkakasangkot ni Rose Ann ang pagbubuntis nito, na siyang itinuturong ang ama nito ay si Megs Malino. Kinumpirma ni MYGZ Malino at Rose Ann sa publiko na isang taon na silang nagmamahalan. Walang binanggit ang dalawa, ngunit, mutual decision, daw ang kanilang pagsasama at itago ito sa public. Saad ng kapuso actor-singer at charity blogger sa panayam, "I am ready to talk about it. It's just all over the place and, I think, ang dami ng dagdag, ang dami ng bawas." Naglabas naman ako ng statement to clarify things. Of course, we have so much respect for our supporters, especially sa Momogs fans namin ni Mahal and yung na-build namin over the course of 5 years. But things in life happen. The unexpected happens and I decided to move on. It just pains me na maraming hearsay, maraming dagdag bawas sa kwento. Diin ni Megs Malino, "Una sa lahat, Rose Ann is a talented and beautiful. She's my friend and she's also my creative partner." Isa-isa ring sinagot ni MYGZ Malino ang kaliwat kanang akusasyong ibinabato ng netizens sa kanila ni Rose Ann. Una na rito ang pagkakadiin kay Roseanne, na ito umano ang sumire sa magandang kaugian ni Megs Malino at inagaw niya si Megs kay Mahal. Pagbabahagi ng Kapuso actor. These are the things that I want to clarify. Number 1, that there was a third party sa paamahal ko kay Mahal. There's no third party. That's it. That plain and simple. Mariinding pinabulanan ng aktor ang napabalitang sikreto silang ikinasal ni Roseanne at nagli-live-in na sila. Paglilinaw niya, another rumor. When I see my friends, the people who are the last to even care about these things, congratulate na ako. They say, congratulations on the marriage in Japan. And I'm like, no. I am not married. And there's also this one absurd article, or a thing said about me, that I have been living with someone for years na daw. The only people I live with is my mom, brother and sister. These are the things na, parang, it's just so absurd and it's just, why? Things happen in life that we're not going to be able to control. And as much as we don't want it to happen, life happens. And it just pains me na parang may mga taong nadamay. That just really saddens me and that's very unfortunate. Dagdag pa niya, ang busy-busy ni Roseanne, ang busy-busy ko. She has a lot on her plate, and I have a lot on my plate. And, you know, she doesn't deserve all that flak. We don't deserve that because all the things na people are saying, there's no truth to any of it. Sa panayam ni Miss Kiana Reeves kay Megs Malino, natanong din siya kung bilang lalaki ay naniniwala ba siya sa taxi cab theory. Ang taxi cab theory, ayon sa medium.com, ay persepsyon ng isang lalaki sa pakikipag-date na kapag nakahanap na siya ng iibigin ay hindi na siya titingin at maghahanap pa ng iba. Pahayag ni MYGZ Malino, I can't say that I understand the whole taxi cab thing properly. But all I can say is, as a guy, when I'm seeing someone, I'm all out. I'm not the type to fish around, yung parang, okay. Tingnan natin kung okay ta. Of course, there's that initial thinking na parang, swap ba tayo? But me, I'm all out na parang this is for the long term. We are going to work through this hanggang sa dulo. That's my vision. That's my perception on finding a partner, about finding love in general. So, that taxi cab theory, parang hindi ko lang siya masakiyan. But that's just me, that's how I love. Kung magmahal ako, lubos, buong kaluluwa. Bago ang naging pag-amin ni Megs Malino ay makailang beses na silang naispatan ni Roseanne na magkasama. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika.